drain, it was leaking. Here's the old one, here's the old seal. Looks like the seal might be disintegrating a little bit, causing some leaks, or it may not have been tight enough. So I'm just kind of cleaning that up. We'll just re-clean some of this so we get a better seal. Make sure that's clean. And we'll put a new seal on and a new piece here. So, all right. So, just to make sure, let's. Just make sure that's cleaned up. Yep. Let's make sure we clean that good. I don't want any. Let's get this plumber's putty around this. Let's see. Sure that's gonna fit good. Yes. Perfect. Let's make sure it fits. Yes, that's gonna fit. Yep, perfect. Alright, so that'll fit. So we're gonna go ahead and get all this back under. And get the seal on there, boom, like so. Alright. Alright, so let's get this back in. Pop him back in where he belongs. Seal. Let's get that line right up perfectly. Okay. Yeah, I gotta make sure that's right on. There's no variance. Just put it back on. Luckily this was easy here because it's right here on this level. A lot of times. Really. Alright, so just kind of get that in there. Nice amount. Okay, boom. Alright, so we got that on there. Alright, so that's gonna go right into there. Start threading that in. Alright, so getting this in here, tightening them up. Alright. Let's put this new train on here. Okay, so we got the new one on. It's all tightened up underneath real good. I'll give it a test. Before it was leaking, now it looks like it's good to go. Still from your leaks. Oh, it's dry. Okay. Okay, so this is a continuation of the situation where the toilet had leaked due to being clogged, and it went through the flange down the ceiling, basically made the ceiling fall down here. And also the tub was leaking, which we just repaired. So now we're going to follow up with the drywall repair and you know, fix this whole little square right here. So we got the drywall here. I've already used my multi-tool to kind of cut it out fairly straight, and then that will make it easier for it all to go in. So next we have to start getting this trimmed up with my ruler. We'll start putting them up. Couple picks. All right, so we put the wall back up, or the ceiling back up. Looks good, looks good, looks good. All right.